Salamat sa mga anak.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it's beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Manghinaot mi na magmalipayon ka sa imong adlawng natawhan. Nga unta, hatagan pa ka, ug daghan pang katuigan, ug maayong panglawas. Daghan kaayong salamat, Nanay, sa imong pag-aruga kanamo. Unta, Nanay, nalipay ka sa among gamay na surpresa para sa imong birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namo, imong mga anak ug mga apo. Salamat, Nanay, ug happy birthday. And this surprise is gikan sa imong mga anak. Happy birthday!
Salamat sa mga anak.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it's beautiful. You should change your name to blues, make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to beautiful. I don't think you minded if I changed your name to something new. Would you think it childish if if I change my name to I love you?